So Daddy is in the car. This is my van. Laura and Hannah. They're playing outside. So we made it to Hervey Bay, and we're not even doing our shopping because it's absolutely torrential rain again. It is just following us around the country. So we are not going to do shopping, and we're just going to live on whatever bloody food we have. And we will do some shopping when the rain stops. This is rain number, how many days? We've been on 4 months. We've had about 4 days of sunshine, haven't we, honey?
Yeah,
Anyway, that's a slight exaggeration. But, yeah, just thought it was worth noting we're back in torrential rain again. Look at it. Oh, it's perfect. Anyway, bye.